Hello my dear students, welcome back to my class. In the previous video, we discussed about the important chapters required for the passing package. So in that passing package, we discussed each and every chapter in detail. We discussed about basic concepts of OOP, classes and objects, function overloading and inheritance. 4 chapters we discussed in detail in the previous video, and with these 4 chapters you can score maximum of 24 marks. And if you want to score still more marks, then you can concentrate on few more chapters, which are logic gates, data structures, some simple questions, and K-map, that is from Boolean algebra. So if you concentrate on these 3 chapters, you can score totally 14 marks. So you can add on plus 14 to your 24 marks. So you can score 38 marks totally. So that will be your complete passing package. Leaving MCQ. Leaving MCQ, you can score 38 marks. See, you can simply get through your computer science very easily with these 7 chapters. Basic concepts, classes and objects, function overloading, inheritance, logic gates, K-map and data structures. 7 chapters you concentrate, you can simply get through your computer science with a maximum of 38 marks. Leaving MCQ. Leaving MCQ I'm talking, you can get maximum of 38 marks. So let us concentrate on remaining chapters today. In this video, we will discuss about logic gates, K-map and data structures. So let's get started with logic gates. So those who are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification of all the new videos. Watch the video till the end, do not skip the video. And if you like the video, please click on the like button and share the video to all your friends. So let's get started with logic gates. So all these 1 marks question, that what you can see here, it is for MCQ. So they will give you this definition part and you need to identify what is that circuit. They say an electronic circuit which operates on one or more input signals and produces an output signal, it is logic gate. And they may just ask you for MCQ like identify the basic gate, identify the derived gate, identify the universal gates, like this. So that will be for MCQ. Exclusive gates, XOR, XNOR, then the gate which is also called as inverter, which is not gate, like this. That will be for your MCQs. So for 3 marks, you will be getting the question like write the logic symbol and truth table of all the basic gates. Till question number 6, it is for MCQ. Logic gate definition they will have and you need to identify what is that. So it is a logic gate. Then basic gates, derived gates, universal gates, exclusive gates, and which gate is also called as inverter. Till 6 it is for MCQ. The remaining questions, it will be on the truth table and logic symbol or logic circuit of the basic gates. AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. The symbol and truth table you need to refer for 3 marks. Then coming to the another 3 marks question. So they may just ask you to write any one gate symbol and truth table like this. So it may be NAND gate or NOR gate, or it may be once again basic gate also, it depends. So here I have given NAND gate, that is truth table and logic symbol. Then you have NOR gate. So it is NOR gate, logic symbol and truth table. Then you also have for exclusive OR gate. So for XOR there is no bubble, only one arch will come. Okay. So these truth table you need to, all the points to remember also I have written here only. See, for 2 input XOR gate, when inputs are different, the output is 1. 0, 1, it is 1. 1, 0, it is 1. In case of 3 inputs, odd number of ones, it is 1. And then in input, then output is 1. So odd number of ones. So look at your odd number of ones means, see here it is 1. How many number of ones we have? Only one. So odd number of ones in the input, then output is 1. See here, it is again odd number of 1. The output is 1. It is even count of ones. 1, 1, we have 2. So it is 0. Again it is 1, so it is 1. 1, 1, it is 0. Again even count, it is 0. 3, it is odd count, so it is 1. So these points you can refer to learn this truth table. So this is in case of XOR. And what about XNOR? So XNOR, it says the same arch, the same OR symbol, but you have one bubble. In case of two input XNOR gate, it says when the inputs are same, the output is 1. Input are same, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. But in case of 3 input XNOR, when all the inputs are 0, first case, when all the inputs are 0, output is 1. When all the inputs are 0, the output is 1. And even number of ones, it is output 1. Even number of 1, look at here. Count the number of ones. 1, 1. It is 2 even. 2 count of ones. So it is even number. So the output is 1. This is only 1. So odd count 0. 1, 1. Even count of 1. So it is 1. Even count of 1. So it is 1. Odd count of 1. So it is 0. So this point you need to remember to learn the truth table. Then they will ask some circuit designing. So circuit designing, some expression they will give and you need to construct this circuit. So it is A plus B bar. B bar means it has to be given to NOT gate, it becomes B bar. So it is A plus B bar means plus means it is OR. So A and B bar should be given to OR, I get A plus B bar. Same way CD, C plus D, so it should be given to OR gate, so C plus D. So A plus B bar into C plus D means it should be given to AND gate. So this is how we design the circuit. Any expression they may give, only you should know how to construct it. And the most important question, that is implementing the output of all the basic gates using the universal gates NAND and NOR. So this is with NAND. So what happens with realizing the output of the basic gates with NAND? Look at here. So NOT gate, it is very simple. You give A, it is A into A, it is A bar. So using NAND gate, you get the output of AND gate first. So AND you will get first. Only two circuits, only two gates. But using NAND, getting the output of OR gate, we require 3 gates. Like this you have to remember. So using NAND, AND is simple. So first NOT, then AND, then OR. Then realizing the output of all the basic gates using NOR means, look at here. So it is the NOT gate first. So using NOR, we get the OR gate output first. So using NOR, OR is simple. So only 2 gates. But using NOR, getting the output of AND, it is difficult. So we require 3 gates. Like this you need to remember. So here it is NAND to AND first and then OR. NOR to OR first and then AND. So this is the output. Realizing the output of NOT, AND, OR using NAND. Using NAND. The same way, realizing the output of basic gates using NOR. You can just write down these things and practice. Okay, so this is with the logic gates. So here we have the next chapter, that is data structure. Totally you will get 14 marks. But all the complete 14 marks, it is quite difficult to get. So at least you can get 5 marks from this chapter. So you have one MCQ and one 3 marks question. The 5 marks question, you have 2 questions of 5 marks. So totally it is 14 marks, and already we have learnt about the 5 chapters from which we can get 28 marks. And here if you can score 5 marks, or if you can score 10 marks also, if you can answer 2 5 marks questions also from data structures, you will be getting 10. So it is 28 plus 10, 38. If not, you can at least score one 5 marks question. You can attend at least one 5 marks question. So it is 28 plus 5 means you can get 33 marks. Remaining 5 marks, if possible, you can attend KMAP. So it is 33 plus 5, 38 marks. This is 38 marks leaving MCQ. Okay, so let us see what are all the questions we can get, possible questions from this chapter, and only the simple questions I have added here. So you can see those simple questions here. So we have data structure definition, which can be asked for MCQ. Primitive data structure, they can just ask you identify the primitive data structure, so integer, character, float, and pointer. Identify the non-primitive data structure, arrays, list, and file. Then you have the linear data structure, arrays, stacks, queues, and linked list. Non-linear, you have trees and graph. So like this, you can have these questions for MCQ. But MCQ, let us leave MCQ because we cannot expect marks from MCQ sometimes. So let us concentrate on some 3 marks questions or 5 marks question, the most important 5 marks questions, because you have totally 2 questions of 5 marks. At least any one you can attend from this chapter. So it is operations all or theory questions. Operations performed on primitive data structures like create, destroy, select and update, or it may be operations performed on linear data structure or one-dimensional array, both are one and the same. So it is traversal, insertion, deletion, searching, sorting and merging, all one-line definitions you have. You can easily learn that. Then you have the types of arrays, which could be asked for 3 marks. List the types of arrays. Then features of arrays, which could be asked for 3 marks. Applications or advantages of arrays, again, which can be asked for 3 marks or 5 marks. Again, disadvantage, it can be asked for 3 marks or 5 marks. Traversal algorithm, it is very simple algorithm. Traversal, that can be asked for 3 marks. Then it is linear search, again, it can be asked for 3 marks. Binary search, the most frequently asked question, that could be asked for 5 marks. So binary search algorithm will be asked for 5 marks. So this is what the binary search algorithm. So you have to just practice it. You have to write and practice. Then you have inserting element, which could be asked for 3 marks. Very simple algorithm. You can learn this algorithm. Insert or delete, any one which could be asked for 3 marks. Insertion sort. This is again for 5 marks. Only the step 2 is the major step that can be learnt very easily. This is insertion sort, which could be asked for 5 marks. Then again some theory based questions with respect to, see, arrays is done. So now we can go with stacks, queues and linked list. See, operations performed on stacks, which is push, pop, is empty, size, all these things. Stack, push, pop, peek, is empty, size. All the definitions, if you go through, all are very, very simple definitions. So stack operations. Then push algorithm, again, that could be asked for 5 marks sometimes. Pop algorithm also for 5 marks. Push and pop. Right? You have to write and practice, you can get it. Very simple algorithms. Then applications of stack. So this could be for 5 marks. Applications of stack. So that is done with stack. Then we'll go with queue. So queue, you will have explained the different types of queues. Simple, they'll merge this because you have only 4 types. They will merge like what is queue, explain the different types of queues. Look at here. Simple queue. Diagram is not must and should. If you write, it is well and good. All are very simple, you can practice. Circular queue, priority queue and double-ended queue. So that is with queues, followed with various operations performed on queue also. It is enqueue, dequeue, is empty, size, all those things. So again, this can be merged with some question, or sometimes they may ask like Explain the different operations performed on queues. NQ and DQ algorithm. This is quite simple only. You have to write in practice. NQ algorithm and DQ algorithm. Again for 5 marks. And applications of queues. Okay. So stacks, queues done. Arrays, stacks, queues done. At the last, types of linked list. That could be asked for 3 marks. Algorithms on linked list will not be asked, moreover, because all those are complex ones. See, if you learn totally 26 to 27 questions in detail, you can definitely score at least 10 marks from this. If you read 26 to 27 questions, you can score 3 marks also from this chapter. Look at here, 3 marks also and 2 5 marks also. Maximum of 13 and minimum of 5 to 10, and depends on the 5 marks question. So if I just take at least 5 also, so already we have dealt with 28 plus 5, 33 marks is fixed, right? So let's go to the last and final chapter, which is Boolean algebra, K-map. So here is the last 5 marks that what you can score. It is from K-map. If you cannot score 5 also, at least for the construction you can get 2 marks. So it is the first K-map. All these K-map questions are from 2015 to 2023. So let us see one by one. So see, look at the mapping here. While grouping, you should take care of how you group it. Always consider the highest possibility. Highest possibility is for octet. If not, you can go with quad. If not, you can go with pair. If it is a single box or single one, you have to write that complete term also. We will see that example also. So in this example, you have totally three quads. Quad 1, quad 2 and quad 3. Right? The next one, it is three two quads and one octet. See, highest possibility you have. So what we will think? We will make two quads here. This is one more quad. So we will make it as three quads. But you have the highest possibility of octet itself. So you get one octet, one quad and one pair. And here you have quad. Again one more quad, pair, and see, look at here. This complete term you need to write it as it is. So it is A bar, B bar, C, D bar. And this is one quad, three pairs. You can write down the question and try it out by yourself. So it is two quads. The next example is of two quads. Look at here. Again, you have three quads. Highest possibility you need to refer. This is one quad and you get one more quad with map rolling. You have map rolling concept where you can get a quad here. This is one example. Refer to this. So here you have one octet, two pairs. One octet with map rolling, you get one more octet. So totally two octets. This is with map rolling example. And this is C. You have one quad and one octet. With map rolling, you get one octet. Totally three quads here. Two quad and one pair. Look at here. You have one quad, but with map rolling, so usually what we do, we make this as one pair, second pair. But with map rolling, you get it as quad. So because when we consider the highest possibility, the number of terms also gets reduced, number of literals also gets reduced. This is one quad. See here, when you do map rolling, you get one pair. This is octet and one quad. Again octet, one pair. So this is with the K-map examples. You can take the screenshot of all the K-maps and try all these K-map by yourself. So with this K-map, you can score 33 plus 5, that is from data structures you get 5 marks. From K-map you get 5 marks, 10. So it is 24 plus 10, that is 34, plus logic gates 4 marks, 38. So in today's video we discussed about 4 marks, that is from logic gates, 5 marks, minimum 5 marks from data structures, then 5 marks from K-map. So it is 10 plus 4, 14. In the previous video it was 24, 24 plus 14, totally 38 marks. And if you can write one more 5 marks question from data structure, so it is 38 plus 5, which could be 43. So maximum of 35 to 45 marks you can score if you go through these videos. Part 1, Part 2 and Part 3 of passing package. So refer to all these videos of passing package to score maximum of 35 to 40 marks. So all the best for your exams. That's all for today's video. See you in the next few more videos. So till then, stay tuned to my channel. Take care. Bye-bye.